Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you a quick painting of this beautiful flower with alcohol ink and gold leaf. And let's go step by step on how I made this painting. For this painting I used the Black Nara paper. Nara has been very nice and sent me this whole set of black paper to make painting and show a demo on my YouTube channel. So that's what I'm going to do, and to see how we can make beautiful paintings on this paper. This is a 100% synthetic and waterproof, tear-proof and stain-proof paper. And for blending I'm using this 91% isopropyl alcohol, which I got it from the store, and I put it in a small bottle so it's easy for me to pour. And you could also use any other percentage of alcohol. And for colors I'm using this gold and yellow and also some white, and we are blending with this isopropyl alcohol. Since it is black paper, the colors won't show unless you add some white to the paper. So the basic idea is first I mix some white and some golden yellow and then I blow it with the blower. I got this from Amazon. So first put some golden yellow and add some white and also some isopropyl alcohol, and then just blow it in whatever direction you want. Since this is just an abstract painting, you could make it in any shape that you like. And just as a safety tip, I'm going to tell you that when you make alcohol ink paintings, make it outdoor because you don't want to inhale the toxic fumes inside your homes, and that is very important. I usually make this in the balcony or porch or somewhere outdoor. That's more safer. adding some glue. You could either use gold leaf special glue, or I just use the regular one just because I'm just practicing. Otherwise you can use that special glue available for gold leaf. And also when you make any paintings with gold leaf, it's important that you seal the gold leaf after the painting is dry, otherwise the shine will be lost. So there are some special sealers available which is called gold leaf sealer, which is what you have to use. Once the painting is dry, just apply in the gold leaf area and let it dry, so the shine will be retained for a long time. So this gold leaf I got from the art store. It's a mix of all different kinds of gold leaf, and that's what I'm going to add in the center. And I'm also adding some metallic gold watercolor paint. I use the Fine Tech metallic gold watercolor. It is called FINETEC, I think. Fine Tech watercolor. I use the metallic gold. So that will add some more shine to this painting. And after that I will be using the Posca pen white to add some more details, which you will be seeing a little later. So just wanted to let you know, if you want to buy Nara paper, I have a coupon code on the screen, LATA20. If you apply that coupon code, you will get 20% of the materials free when you place an order through Nara synthetic paper website. So just wanted to let you know if you want to use my coupon code.